Today, we'll be installing one of MaxLight's direct, indirect 1x4 pendant fixtures. First, we'll turn off the electrical power at the fuse or circuit breaker box. After removing the included bracket from the driver, attach it to the junction box with the included screws. Make sure the bracket is tightly secured while leaving enough room for the supply wires to come out for the next step. Now, we'll prepare the included cable kit. The first thing you need to do is push down on the top of the clip while pushing up on the notch at the bottom. You can now pull the cable out. Now that you have your exposed cable, we'll want to feed it through the driver box. We'll do this by pushing up the clip at the bottom of the driver box and feeding the cable through on the driver side. Pull the cable through until you've reached the height the fixture will be mounted at. Repeat the process on the other side, making sure to match the length of the first cable. Next, we'll make our wiring connections. Connect black to black, white to white, and ground to ground. From here, we'll grab the cable with the small bead at the end of it, secure it as you see fit, and tuck it into the junction box. Now, we can align the threaded holes in the driver box with the bracket that we previously installed and secure it with the included screws. Going back to the first step, where we removed the cable from the clip, we'll now go ahead and replace it. Feed the cable into the first clip we disassembled, and it should automatically lock. Give it a quick pull to ensure it's secure, and repeat this process on the other side. If you need to adjust the cables to make sure that they're the same length, just push the clip on the driver box up and pull the cable down to the desired length. From here, we will connect the power cord by pressing it in and twisting it to secure the connection. Next, we'll take our Y cable and screw the threaded piece into the aircraft cable grippers on each corner of the fixture's frame. Repeat this on the other side, and the pendant will balance itself. For cable management, we'll zip tie the power cable to the desired length and test that the fixture illuminates properly. If the fixture isn't at your desired height, you can still adjust the cables using the clips on each side. And that's how we install the direct, indirect 1x4 pendant fixture. For more information on this product, please see the link below. Thanks for watching.